Hi everybody, welcome to week 2. I know that we have had some problems getting started, especially with a couple of classes for week number 1, but don't worry, we will be flexible about some of the deadlines for that. But try to get your work done as soon as possible. If you have issues with uploading things or questions about anything, make sure that you contact me via WeChat or email or online with that discussion board about questions about the class. Okay, now in week 1, as I said, some classes started a little bit later on Friday, and so their deadlines are going to be flexible. Um, the website deadlines will not change, okay, but you should still be able to submit things after the deadline. Now, there have been some students that have had submission problems. One student gave me some particularly good advice, and they said that they used a VPN, which is a virtual private network, and you might try that. In any case, when you do upload the files, if you're uploading any files, you will need to have patience, click on the submit button, and wait for it to go through the whole process. Now, again, I want to emphasize that we do not want you to upload videos to Carmen. The video submissions will be in the form of video links to either Youku or YouTube videos that you have made. And we do the same for our videos as well. And that is good because then you don't have to download videos and don't have to waste time uploading them as well. One issue about your profile account pictures on Carmen, I would encourage all of you to try to use pictures that are a little bit more close up, okay, close up, and so that we can see your faces a little bit better. Many people are just way far away, and some people are not using images that are pictures of themselves too. And the goal of the pictures is just so that we can get to know and see who is in our class. I have to apologize about the discussion board groups because in some of the classes I had not made those discussion board groups yet, and so I had to erase a couple of people's submissions, but I emailed them and let them know that they needed to submit them again. You will have one other peer in your group that you need to read their assignment and then comment on that in the Saturday-Sunday segment before Sunday midnight. We want all of the posts to be done by Friday so that your peers can read them. Now, in each class, there will be one group that has 3 people. And when you have 3 people, just be patient and make sure that everybody has submitted. If somebody is late, then that's their problem. But try to respond to the student who does not have a response in their discussion area. The grading for your assignments will happen. I have 3 classes with about 18 students in each, so it's going to take some time. But the particular grading, especially for your profile drafts and getting comments on that, those will be done by Wednesday this week so that you can revise those and post those up to your u.osu.edu sites. For week number 2, we are going to be using your u.osu.edu pages, especially for the revisions of your work. This is where your final work will go. So the revision of your personal profile, the draft after I make some comments and after you do some changes, then you're going to be posting that to the front page of your u.osu.edu site. Make sure you have activated that and that you have it set up the way that we have shown you. You can look at the links on the front page of Carmen to see my page as well as the other class members' pages as well. It's an easy click. You just click on their name and it should take you right to their u.osu.edu pages. Okay, once you are on your front page of Carmen, you can see that we have the videos here, but down below we have the u.osu.edu links, and you can click on any of these, and these are your classmates, and you can go directly to the u.osu.edu sites. I'm going to go to mine to show you one particular setting that you need to do before people can respond on your pages. Now here is my page, and you can see I have the About Me, which will be my personal profile pages and your personal profile pages as well. The next project is the Photo Reflection Project, the Plagiarism Project, and the Group Project. So you have 4 projects on these pages. But one thing you need to do is this. Make sure you go to your dashboard. And on the dashboard, go down to the settings here and click on discussion. Down here on discussion, you want to make sure that these 2 things where it says before a comment appears, that they are unchecked. So they might be checked, but you want to make sure that these are unchecked. Okay? That means that anybody can post a comment on your page. We don't want it to be manually approved, because in that case people will not see it, and then nobody will be able to post on your page. Also, comment author must have a previous approved comment. That one also is not needed. So make sure that these are not checked, okay, in your pages. And then that's it. Then you can close your page and everything will be okay. Okay? Now for this week, you have the readings and the videos as normal on Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday, I believe. And the discussion board posts do not change either. Make sure that you answer the discussion board question by Friday midnight so that you can read your peers' discussion and respond to it by Sunday midnight. I will be finished, as I said before, on the comments on the drafts of the personal profiles by Wednesday so that you can revise and post them on your u.osu pages by Saturday night, hopefully. Now this week you're going to be starting a new project. It's called the Photo Reflection Project, and that draft is due by Sunday midnight. Carefully read the assignment description. Overall, what it is you're going to be summarizing 2 jobs for you and commenting on them, and then you're going to be reading a peer's draft, which won't be this week, but that will be next week, and then filling out a peer review sheet. So in this case, I won't be commenting on your drafts, but your peers will be doing that. And then read your peer's review, then you can write a response about how you felt about the peers' feedback, and then use their advice or not use their advice, and then revise it and post it up onto your u.osu.edu site. Again, only the first draft of the Photo Reflection Project is due this week. Again, if you have any questions about anything, make sure that you either WeChat me. Remember, I am sleeping sometimes too and trying to get other things done, but I hope to respond as soon as I can. And you can also email me, or you can post your questions on that discussion board area, or questions about the class, and then others can benefit too. All right, so have a great week.